Today, Kevin and I are going to be trying the MrBeast Feastables. These are candy bars. I have the milk chocolate, the milk crunch, the almond.
This is the dark chocolate sea salt, and a peanut butter.
We found the peanut butter one at Target, and that's what started this review. So they were actually on an end cap at Target. What size is that?
2.1 ounce.
2.1 ounce. So 2.1 ounce at Target was $2.69. That same size at Walmart, all of these other ones were bought at Walmart, were $2.57. So not much difference, about 10 cents difference.
That's better.
And then the small bars were $1.82. Now, if I could have, I would have bought all small bars, but they didn't have them available that way.
Right.
That's why, because somebody would ask me, why didn't you buy all small? Because, well, we couldn't. That's why. But these, if you have watched the channel, if you do a search for Tammy Dunn, MrBeast, or Feastables, you're going to see candy bars just like this, but they're in different packages. They also go by different names. A lot of them go by different names. So they have reformulated these bars, and that's why we're trying them again. So, and we cannot compare them to the first set because we would have to have them side by side in order to do that. Somebody
Because I don't remember what they taste like.
No, somebody always asks me, well, how do they compare? I don't know. Those aren't on the shelf anymore, so we can't compare them. So this is the milk chocolate. It is a 1.24 ounce or 35 gram bar. I like this size bar. It's 190 calories. Just a good little pick-me-up.
You know, that's not that much smaller than the 2.1 ounce. That's only like, what, just a little less than half
35 grams or 60 grams.
Okay, so half is.
Yeah. So you make me lose my stuff here. Milk chocolate, cocoa butter, unsweetened chocolate, milk powder. There's not many ingredients in this. Natural vanilla extract. Yeah, there's not many ingredients in this at all. Okay, so what is this going to look like? It says MrBeast Feastables on the piece of chocolate. Okay. Do you want a little one?
Yeah, that's fine.
They have a big square and then they have some smaller squares.
It's very soft.
I like that quite a bit.
Yeah, it's a nice chocolate.
It's creamy.
Like I said, it's kind of soft.
Yes.
It melts really nice.
It's creamy. It's sweet. It kind of reminds me of a Hershey Kiss. The flavor.
I was thinking the exact same thing.
Yeah, because for me, Hershey Kisses have a very specific flavor. That has that flavor.
Yeah, when I was eating it, I was thinking, this reminds me of a Hershey's Kiss. So it's funny, we both kind of related to that.
Yeah.
Which is not necessarily a bad thing. I mean, Kisses aren't the best chocolate ever, but they're not bad chocolate.
Right. So that, I like that. Yeah. I would eat that again.
These remind you of Hershey's Kisses, but they're much softer. They melt better.
Yeah, I like that too. This is a milk crunch. It's milk chocolate with puffed rice. And this one is only 180 calories.
It's replaced with rice cereal, some of it.
Yeah, so you're getting more of the rice cereal and fewer calories that way. I like to open my packages all the way. I really do. If I'm eating a bar or or a candy bar, whatever, I just like to open it all the way. Okay, was that a good enough piece for you?
No, it's fun. It's like a crunch bar or what's the other one? Crackle. And the little candy bars is a crackle. That's good. It's basically the same chocolate flavor, except it's got the
crisp rice,
the very crunchy cereal. I like that though because the cereal pieces are small and they're very, very, very crunchy.
Yes.
So you actually would get a really nice crunchy texture.
These seem to be more crunchy than a Nestle Crunch bar.
Yeah,
Yes.
And there's more of them.
Out of the two, because it's milk chocolate and milk chocolate, I prefer just the regular because I like Because you could take one of those little bars and lay it on your tongue and just let it melt.
Yeah, which is what I usually do.
Yes.
Make it last longer.
Yes. Whereas this, I don't, it wouldn't be, you wouldn't do that. You could, I guess, but.
That's good. It's not quite as strong a chocolate flavor either because I guess all the rice cereal is taken away some of the chocolate.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's like those crunch pieces. A lot of people will like those for the texture. But for me, it's just I really do like all of that milk chocolate. So it's like, give me more of that.
Right.
And so I like that. Now, we have big bars left. So this is milk chocolate with almond chunks. It's 160 calories for half the bar or 330 for the whole bar. I do like how easy these are to open. And I tell you what, the color of these do make them stand out from other candy bars. Yeah, because I don't think there's no other candy bars with this color.
Not this bright blue.
Okay, so this is the almond.
Same chocolate again. The almonds aren't as crunchy as like those crispy cereal pieces are.
Well, you don't get that many. You do get almond, and you do get the texture of them.
Yeah, and you get a little bit of the flavor.
You do get the flavor, but you don't get as many almonds as you did those.
No, because there's
pieces.
a lot of rice cereal.
Right. So you don't get near as many, but I do think it gives you enough to get the flavor. You're getting the texture. They're just little bitty pieces.
Yeah.
They're not like like a Hershey bar with almonds has like
They have big humps.
Right. This isn't like that. This
I would
is
rather
little,
have this.
I would too. I would rather have the little pieces. Again, creamy. Nothing wrong with that at all.
Now, would you rather do the peanut butter and the milk chocolate or save it for last?
The peanut butter, you know what I wish they had done? They, and when I took a bite of that, it reminded me, one of my favorite, well, I love a Mr. Good bar. And Mr. Good bar is a chocolate bar and it's full of peanuts. I mean, just chock full of peanuts. I wish they had done the one of those. So like that one has almonds. Now they need to do a milk chocolate with peanuts. Because I'm a peanut fanatic. We can do the peanut butter. It's milk chocolate with peanut butter. 160 calories for half, 330.
I'm just saying they're all milk chocolate.
They're all milk chocolate, yeah, that's fine. So, this one is a filled bar, you think?
I don't know. A layered bar, maybe?
Oh, it smells good. Oh, yeah. Yes, I smell that peanut butter. That smells really nice. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's got like a layer of peanut butter in it, or something that looks like peanut butter at least.
Peanut butter.
Yeah, it's really soft too. It's a soft and creamy peanut butter. I like that.
It's very nice peanut butter. The difference in that and a Reese's cup is a Reese's cup peanut butter. Well, it's thicker, you get more of it, but it has a grittiness to it.
Yeah, this is just regular smooth peanut butter.
Yes, this is regular creamy peanut butter, but I really do like the flavor of that.
Yeah, they did a good job. It doesn't taste like one of those natural peanut butters. It basically just tastes like peanuts. It doesn't taste like that. It actually tastes like peanut butter.
Yes, there's nothing wrong with that.
That's really good.
Creamy, nice sweet peanut butter. Nothing wrong with it at all.
I like it that it's still very creamy and soft texture too. So when you can let it melt on your tongue, the peanut butter would melt right along with the chocolate. I like that.
The dark chocolate, half a bar is 150 calories, 300 for the whole thing. I'm wondering why would someone, if you have that peanut butter and you have a Reese's peanut butter, why would someone choose one? Why would you choose this over Reese's.
Different. It's a different.
It is different. It is different. That's but
Completely different kind of
it's a
texture and everything.
Yes, so I guess if you want creamy instead of wanting that gritty peanut butter, then you would get these.
Yeah.
That's what I was wondering. Okay. Definitely.
Not quite as soft.
Right, definitely a texture difference. But it wasn't snappy either.
Mm-mm. No, it's not hard like some. No, honestly, it's about what I expected. The milk chocolate has a creamy texture. This one has that more oily texture.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But it does melt really nicely.
Mm-hmm. It melts very nicely.
I like
And it at first I wanted to say like it's like a semi-sweet, but it's a little darker than a semi-sweet. But I like it quite a bit.
It's not really bitter though, because
No,
usually
it's not bitter
I
at
usually
all.
pick up bitterness really strongly. That's not that bad at all.
That's not bitter at all. And this is the dark chocolate with sea salt, 160 calories per half, or 330. Is this the highest calorie one?
Usually dark chocolate's pretty low.
330 for the whole bar?
I don't know, I've been paying attention. No, that one's 330.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
The peanut butter one was definitely the higher one. No, the other one, the almond one was 330 as well.
Okay, so, but that amazes me that the dark chocolate sea salt is 330 and those are 330.
Yeah, usually dark chocolate's a little lower.
Okay.
Okay, bring on the salt.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow, they did. You actually get salt, little salt.
Crystals.
Crystals.
Mm-hmm. That's nice.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
And again, it melts really much too.
I prefer the one with the salt over the plain.
Mm-hmm.
Just because I love that addition of those little crystals, and it's pleasurable to eat them, but it's the flavor is terrific.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, anytime you have chocolate and salt, it goes really good together.
I haven't watched the video on the other ones since we did them. My memory was they. It seems like they were just okay.
Yeah, they weren't anything special.
And these are all really good.
Yeah,
so now my memory is going to be, oh, those are good candy bars when I see them.
Just the fact that they reformulated them
Says
something, because evidently they sold. I think we even said during that video, they'll probably sell the once, and then people won't be rebuying them again.
Okay.
Because they'll get them. It's like it's okay, and then
Right.
and then go on to something else.
Right.
So. I'd say their sales spiked at the beginning and they kind of tapered off and nobody was really buying them.
Right. So I wonder if people will give these a chance.
So they changed the packaging and everything, so
They did.
it caught my attention.
Yeah, you would think it was a brand new candy bar out and it's just reformulated.
Yeah.
So what is your favorite?
Probably the peanut butter one,
Okay.
and then the dark chocolate sea salt would be number 2.
Okay, I'm gonna say the peanut butter is number 1 for me because I love the peanut butter.
It's really good.
But I'm gonna go peanut butter and then milk chocolate.
Just
the
the regular.
very
I thought about
first
that one. That's probably my third.
And then my third is gonna be the dark chocolate.
So our top
sea
3
salt.
are the same.
Yes, yeah. So these
But there's
are
absolutely
good.
nothing wrong with the other ones at all. They're all really, really good.
But somebody has to come in last place.
Yeah.
Not everybody can be at first place. But I do think absolutely these are worth, if you tried them before and you weren't crazy about them, I definitely think they're worth giving another
Yeah,
shot.
try them again.
And try to get them at Walmart because Walmart is going
Just
to
a
be
little bit cheaper.
the cheapest place you can get them.
And they might sell smaller versions of the ones.
Yes, if they're not up front when you first walk in, Walmart's created like this candy snack section. If they're not there, then go to the actual candy aisle because they have some of these bars in the aisle itself too. So I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.